Hello guys, let's start the video. Now I'm apply Pond's moisturizer, then primer, that color bar, then Fit Me foundation and concealer is Swiss Beauty. Then now blending. Then I should apply compact powder, Fit Me compact powder, then blusher, then eyeshadow. Now I'm apply highlighter, then I set my eyebrow. Now eyeliner, that is Swiss Beauty, then makeup fixture, that is Swiss Beauty. Then I am applying lipstick. Now I'm doing my hairstyle. Let's see how is it. So let's see my hairstyle. Then now I'm doing a pop hairstyle, simple. Let's see my get up, how I'm looking. See the pics, then tell me. If you like my video, then subscribe my channel. And so bye, take care.